DiaSys Diagnostic Software Advanced Diagnostics for MTU engines. DiaSys Diagnostic Software is a professional service and diagnostic solution designed for MTU engines and power systems. It provides technicians, maintenance teams, and service centers with the tools needed to diagnose faults, monitor engine performance, and perform advanced troubleshooting procedures. Modern MTU engines are equipped with sophisticated electronic control systems that manage fuel injection, emissions, engine performance, and safety functions. MTU DiaSys allows users to communicate directly with these electronic control units, providing access to valuable diagnostic information that helps identify problems quickly and accurately. One of the key functions of MTU DiaSys is fault code diagnostics. The software can read, analyze, and clear diagnostic trouble codes stored within the engine control system. This enables technicians to locate issues faster, reducing repair time and minimizing equipment downtime. In addition to fault diagnostics, MTU DiaSys provides real-time monitoring of engine parameters. Users can view live data such as engine speed, coolant temperature, oil pressure, fuel system values, battery voltage, and many other critical operating conditions. This information helps technicians evaluate engine health and detect potential issues before they become major failures. The software also supports system testing and component verification. Technicians can perform diagnostic tests on sensors, actuators, and electronic modules to ensure proper operation. These testing capabilities improve troubleshooting accuracy and help prevent unnecessary replacement of parts. Another important feature of MTU DiaSys is its support for maintenance and service procedures. The software assists users in carrying out calibration tasks, parameter adjustments, and system checks required after repairs or component replacement. This helps ensure that the engine operates according to manufacturer specifications. MTU DiaSys is widely used in industries that rely on MTU power systems, including marine applications, power generation, industrial equipment, rail transportation, and heavy-duty machinery. Its comprehensive diagnostic capabilities make it an essential tool for maintaining reliability and maximizing equipment performance. In conclusion, MTU DiaSys Diagnostic Software is a powerful diagnostic platform that helps technicians diagnose faults, monitor engine performance, perform system tests, and support maintenance operations. It is an invaluable tool for anyone responsible for servicing and maintaining MTU engines and power systems.